What is up, trappers? Check it out. Here's an open field, and that's US 6 facing west. That's US 6 facing east. Guys, we got the mini truck here. I blew an air line, the whole front, sat down, and it just lit them up, guys. Look at this. Whole big patch all the way up here. I got Johnny, Wayne with me, or Wayne came with us. He went to get a airline in Bremen, so hopefully he's safe on his way there and back. Johnny's out here doing the caution. You see it, guys? Check this out. Man, skid marks for a minute. See, look at this, guys. We're out here. There's semis, everything. I got my skid marks. We are out here, man. It set those front wheels down, and I blew this hose off right here, guys. Going between here and here. Man, not good. Wayne's on his way to get another one, and hopefully we will be back on our way to Portillos hot dogs in Mishawaka, guys. So that's what we're doing. That's what we got going on. There's Johnny. He's got a safety jacket. Big thumbs up to Johnny and the Journey gang. He's got the trap star. That's what it is, guys. We're on our way to Portillos. We'll see you then. Keep on trapping.